testis is surrounded by by skin and muscle, okay, by a structure known as the scrotum. So here is the scrotum. Okay, it's basically a sac where the testis is located. This is the testis, okay, or testicle. And inside the testicle, there are some tubes that are known as seminiferous tubules. These white tissue are seminiferous tubules, little tubes where the sperm cells are formed. Okay, you can also identify the seminiferous tubules in this model. So these are also seminiferous tubules. Okay. On top of each testicle, there is a structure known as epididymis, which is this. This is the epididymis. It's the site of maturation of sperm cells. Okay. And from here, sperm cells will go to this duct that is called vas deferens or ductus deferens. It's a large duct that goes first superiorly, then on top of the bladder, then posterior to the bladder. Okay? And this is the end of the vas deferens. Okay? Lateral to the end of the vas deferens, there is a gland that is called seminal vesicle. This large gland is the seminal vesicle. There are two of them, one on the right, one on the left. This is the left seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle is important because it produces 60% of the volume of semen or seminal fluid. Okay? And so the sperm cells that are produced in the testes go first to the epididymis, then to the vas deferens, and then they will go into this little pink duct inside the prostate that is called ejaculatory duct. So it's a short diagonal duct inside the prostate. Okay, that's the ejaculatory duct. Okay, now we said that this is the epididymis, and I want you to notice that next to the vas deferens you see a series of blood vessels. Some of them look gray or blue. That's called the pampiniform plexus. So the pampiniform plexus are these veins that are surrounding the vas deferens. And this red vessel is called the testicular artery.
So what's the vas deferens again, you said?
The vas deferens is long duct, okay, that carries sperm cells. This is the pampiniform plexus, the gray vessels or blue vessels, and the red vessels are testicular arteries. Okay. The prostate gland is this brown or red gland that sits at the base of the urinary bladder. In the exam, I can either point at the prostate either here or here. Okay? So this red or brown structure is the same, the prostate gland. Okay? Below the prostate gland, if you look carefully, you will see two small bumps that basically represent Cowper's glands or bulbourethral glands, which produce 20% of the seminal fluid. 60% of the seminal fluid is produced by seminal vesicles, 20% by the prostate gland, and the other 20% by the bulbourethral glands or Cowper's glands. Okay. Then here's the penis. Okay, the tip of the penis is called glans penis. Okay, the head or tip is the glans penis. And inside the penis there are two sets of erectile tissue. The tissue that looks gray, okay, and is posterior is called the corpora cavernosa, and all this tissue that looks red inside the penis is called the corpora spongiosa. Okay, corpora spongiosa. It surrounds the urethra. Now, this organ that you see here is the urinary bladder. Okay, remember that the urinary bladder is connected to the outside through the urethra. So all of this is the urethra. The urethra has three regions. The region that runs within the prostate from here to here is called the prostatic urethra. The region that runs basically medial to the Cowper's glands, very short, only from here to here, is called membranous urethra. And everything else, all of this long duct that runs inside the penis is called penile urethra. Okay, so all of this is a penile urethra. All of this.
Can you show me the style again?
Sure. So these are the three regions. Prostatic from here to here. Membranous, this. Everything else, penile urethra. Okay? Any questions? Okay, so we're all done.